Good morning everyone. This is what, day number 8 I believe of the northern trip, so not counting Tasmania. Yesterday I left Rockhampton and then I made my way to Brisbane. Now on the way to Brisbane I also stopped at Bundaberg and most of the road was just straight. It's 26 degrees right now and it's 8:45. For today I am going out of Brisbane and going through some of the nicest roads. So yeah, let's go out. It's about 6 hours of ride in total. I might end up somewhere around Toowoomba or southern Queensland, or I might even go into northern New South Wales. Don't know. We'll decide at 12 o'clock. Yeah, let's jump on the motorcycle and get out of here. Nice. Look at that. Oh, let's go back down now. So we're in the Somerset Dam. So this is by the Lake Somerset, is on the other side, and this is Lake Somerset formed by construction of Somerset Dam. And this is what you can do around here. So we passed the spit just before, and we're going down. This was completed in 1959 and it's got storage capacity for water supply 380,000 megaliters. Wow. And this is an engineering heritage. It's a national landmark, as this sign says here. can hardly read this sign. Alright, let's keep on going. Piggy. Look, there's a little piggy. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Are you Angie?
I am.
How are you doing?
Good. Hello.
Hungry.
Got lots of food. She'll do the chicken burgers.
I've been eating burgers like the whole trip.
Got the chicken camembert phyllo. It's a phyllo parcel.
What's a camembert?
Camembert's cheese.
Cheese.
Soft cheese.
Okay, I'll try that.
It's yummy.
We are in this place called Esk. I just had some food and it's about, what, 2 o'clock right now, almost 2 o'clock. So we're gonna go towards this place called Texas, which is in the southern Queensland. So it's like on the border of Queensland and New South Wales. So another 3 hours, right? So yeah, let's keep on going and see what's ahead of us. Good, how are you? Do you have any food or no food?
No food, no, not till 6 o'clock.
Oh, that's sad.
Which way are you headed?
Texas.
Hey?
Texas.
Alright, yeah, if you go up the road 10 minutes to the Gore store, they usually got the hot box.
Yeah, it's alright. I'll take some beer.
Yeah.
Can I get the beer? Yeah.
Get beer. $8.60 on those two, Mike. On the card.
Yeah, that as well. Yeah, on the card, please. Is that including that as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So tired. So tired.
All very good. Right.
We're just gonna go to the caravan park and go to
Yeah.
bed. Yeah. Hey.
Put the tent up in there.
Yeah. Just gonna be outside, drink it. I think I'm in the same time zone now as Melbourne. Let's see. No, actually not. I'm not. Still in Queensland time zone. It feels like the Melbourne time zone though. Oof. So I'm in this place called Texas, and it's like on the border of New South Wales and Queensland. Hi there, I'm at the park now for the... Yeah. So, thank you, cheers, bye. There you go, he's coming. So the campsite is only about $15 for the night. Yeah.